Hi everyone! Every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. We're going to fix this. If your Subaru suddenly displays the message BSD RCTA disabled, your first thought might be, what happened with the blind spot and rear cross traffic alerts? Don't worry. It doesn't mean anything exploded. Basically, the car is telling you that the sensors detecting vehicles in your blind spots or when backing up aren't working properly. The first thing mechanics in this shop check is the sensor area on the rear bumper. Dirt, mud, snow, or salt often accumulates there, confusing the system. Cleaning these sensors usually makes the message disappear, and many Subarus start detecting nearby vehicles again as if nothing happened. If the alert persists after cleaning the bumper, the sensors might be slightly misaligned or knocked out of place. Even without a major impact, a scrape or hitting a pothole can shift them. Mechanics have solved this by readjusting or straightening the sensors, often without needing to replace them, and the system returned to normal operation. Another common cause reported in forums is minor electrical issues or voltage fluctuations. For example, if the battery is low or the current isn't stable, the system may think the sensors aren't working and disable BSD and RCTA. Some mechanics have fixed this by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes to reset the system, and once reconnected, the sensors worked again. If none of these solutions work, it could be a more serious problem with the sensor module or calibration. In that case, the best option is to take it to a workshop or dealership, where they can recalibrate the sensors or replace any defective ones, ensuring your Subaru reliably alerts you to vehicles in your blind spots and when backing up.